Welcome back to AJ Kitchen Paper. I'm Asset, this is Oats. Kimchi Cheese Fried Rice.
Let's go!
Start off by chopping up a whole bunch of Chinese chives. Choppity chop here, and then everybody's nice and done, over to the side with them. Grab a whole bag of frankfurts and chop them wieners into bite-sized pieces. Small rounds of carcinogenic bitters. Oats put this in, I refuse to take it out. Burying time! Amazing, over to the flame. In goes some sesame seed oil, just 1 tablespoon. In it goes. And all of your over-processed wiener boys. Give everybody a nice stir, maybe a little bit of a tossity-tossy. And in goes the nearer Chinese chives. Everybody gets a nice stir together, and then in goes a whole bunch of kimchi. Let it be known to the court that this kimchi is Japanese. Much less spicy, but confusingly just as red. 3 serves of white rice. In it goes. Break it down and toss it together. Lovely. Now that everybody's nice and mixed up, for whatever reason we're going to pile it all into a pile into the middle. 2 teaspoons of Weber, a pinch of salt and a cracker pepper. And then we're going to mix all of that in as well, and then again pile it all into a pile again, this time a little bit nicer. Now that you have a flat dome, for whatever reason you're going to absolutely drench this with a moat of cheese. And then once you've got that nice little golden river running, leave it all on the heat to get it all nice and bubbly and moist. Garnish with spring onions everywhere, looking nice. And there you have it, kimchi cheese fried rice. Feel that perhaps your cheese moat wasn't as melty as you would have liked it, so just scrape it all off the sides and then grab your tiny little burner and go in. I think you wanted little crispy bits on the cheese, but this is fake cheese. This isn't getting crispy anywhere. For reasons unbeknownst to me, again, scrape down the sides, make sure that everybody's nice and cheesy. And now that your disturbingly yellow cheesy ball is ready, I think we can plate up. Look at that, it did get a little bit burnt. Alrighty, into a bowl, add a whole bunch of your rice, cheese, and on the top, that little bit of sprinkle of spring onions. Think about your life choices that led you to create this. And now it's tasty time! So I have 2 ideas on how to improve this. 1, use actual sausages, not Frankfurt Wiener processed to all hell sausages. And 2, you really don't need this much cheese. I like cheese, and I got sick of this. So rather than a bubbling moat of cheese, maybe just a small amount of actual real cheese would be nice, not the shredded sawdust-laden stuff. So just go sparingly on the cheese and processed meats, and I'm sure this will turn out even better than what this did. Don't get me wrong, tasted good. Just don't need it every day. If you want to see more recipes like this, comment down below, like and subscribe, and we will see you tomorrow, guys. Bye-bye.